Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. Take a look at this. Dow's up 100, almost 102 points, up 1.2%. NASDAQ lagging the markets by 0.2, well, I'd say 0.3 or 0.28. And then the S&P 1.7, and then Russell's lagging 0.5, but not as bad as the NASDAQ lagging. And the VIX is down yet again, 32. Wow, it's been a long time since we've seen it down at 32. Very nice. VIX in down just a smidgen, not much. And it looked like some reports come out that we have some big banks like JP Morgan and Chase has beat the stress test. We'll see. Banks kind of led the markets here. Energy spiked today. And here we are. The S&P is up yet again, busting through some really nice resistance points. See this? Those two teal lines coming across, busting through. Very nice to see. And, you know, I don't see any resistance right here. 925 could act as a natural area of resistance, but as far as I'm concerned, it's free and clear to, you know, get right up there. And let's see what price that would be at 933 area. I could see us getting at 933 and 934, 935, 935. So I could see another big day taking place if the news stays with us. It's funny how news driven this has been. We have employment numbers coming out on Friday, and that should shake things up a little bit. And so anyway, oh, I was going to share something. I had somebody say, you know, why am I sitting on so much cash here? I missed out on 20% here. That was in the comments here at Free Trading Videos. Thank you for the comments, by the way. And I just want to answer this. Here is my probably long-winded answer. We have been in a vicious, massive decline in the markets. Massive decline. So we've been in this big downtrend. And down here, the March, right here, March of 09, yes, wouldn't it have been great to have known that was the bottom and to load up on bunch of stock or bunch of options, or better yet, let's do single stock futures, or let's do the E-mini, load up on the E-mini right here and push all chips in the middle of the table. Wouldn't that have been wonderful? And we would have been rock stars by right now. Oh man, can you imagine just getting in there and forgetting and not looking at your account until today? You would be dancing. Now, here's the problem with that scenario. We didn't know that was the bottom. No one knew that that was the bottom. We still don't know technically if that's the bottom. I think it will. I think that will be the bottom. I think this will prove out to be the bottom because of how extended we are now. Now, but do we ever buy long in a bear market? No. If you buy long in a bear market, you're going to have your head handed to you. I'm telling you, from somebody that has over 11 years trading experience, I cut my teeth. I started in 98. I cut my teeth trading through the crash of 2000, 9/11 hitting in 2001. I cut my teeth through that, and I survived through a bear market. I'm telling you, if you can survive in this bear market, you are going to be a superstar in a bull market. That's where I learned, and that's where I grew my trading muscles, if you will. And so this is great grounds to be trading in and to learn to just develop and mature as a good rock solid trader. Now, like a person here that pulled back and they put in a full amount here, they would have had their head handed to them here. They would have been spanked red right there. See this big crash. So I never buy long in a downtrend. The trend is your friend. Many of you have heard that before. Make sure you never trade against it. The other thing that I have to have in the broad markets is a trend reversal, such as a double bottom, maybe a triple bottom, or maybe an inverted head and shoulders. So something, a trend reversal that says that the trend has been broken and we're going north. We do have an impressive up leg. Matter of fact, if I were to pull up the S&P weekly, it's going up 8, or let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 9. I mean, good night. When's the last time in this whole thing have you seen it go up 9 in a row? Maybe right here? Right there. And that was in a raging bull market that we were in 2006. I mean, look at this. And this is the first time since 2006 that we've seen this big of a run. Now, what am I looking for? A pullback, give me a double bottom, give me a higher step up, which would give me an inverted head and shoulders. If you don't know what these patterns are, go to freetradingvideos.com, click on stock charts or charting school, and learn what these patterns are. Once we have that, I'll load up. But to think that I'm going to chase a stock, you're crazy. If you're going to chase this market, it's like a dog out in the country that likes to chase cars. A lot of times they end up with 3 legs. So be careful not to chase things. If you do day trade, I love the day trade. Day trading is just great in a market like this. You're in and out, take your money. But to swing trade in this market or to position trade, you better be careful. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Now, let's go to bids. I was showing you a trade that I'm in. And I asked for 200 extra bonus points. What type of reversal pattern? This is right here. And you said engulfing, and the fact is it is engulfing. And somebody, a member, said because we had multiple down legs coming down, in fact, that could be a reversal pattern. Kudos to you, extra 50 bonus points to you for that. But what I like here is we did clear the moving averages. We did engulf, but for the full 200 points, I was really after another formation. It's exotic. Very few people know about it. It's called the belt hold line. That's where you get a gap down, a run up with little to no lower shadow. Belt hold line. It's a bullish belt hold line. And those can be very powerful. There's a couple others. Let's see here. Right here. Belt hold line. See the gap down, run up? Gap down, run up. Little to no lower shadow. Very powerful. And it just runs up. Not saying that my trade that I'm in right now is going to do that. But that's what I'm playing. I like that we're above the moving averages. And I like that we engulfed at the same time. Sitting to a little heat here. But I would like to see this just continue northbound here shortly. So there you have it. Thank you for being part of Free Trading Videos, and looking forward to more videos, especially pre-market and noon with Matador. So Free Trading Videos, where the learning is free, and so, oh man, what was that slogan? Free Trading Videos. The freedom to learn gives you the freedom to profit. That's it. Catch you later.